Go.
Hi, my name's Lola.
Laura.
I like to talk to you about my name. Do you like it? I gotta blink my eyes. Hold on. I gotta blink my eyes. Well, what's your name? Now,
Stop moving.
I think Gregory's a nice name, or Giorgio. So, what's your joke? Well, I don't know if it's pretty funny, but, well.
Talk about the mole that you have on top of your mouth.